Prune juice is one of the most popular natural remedies for constipation. If not treated, constipation can affect your quality of life and lead to serious complications, such as hemorrhoids and rectal prolapse. Prune juice is also safer than laxatives, which gets you addicted to them. In this video we will look into why prune juice is good for constipation and how to use it. At the end, we will also look at who should not use it. So, let us begin. Everyone's regular bowel movements vary, but if you haven't passed stool in 2 or 3 days, you may be constipated. You should treat it sooner than later to avoid future complications that may be more difficult to treat. Often, home remedies are the first line of treatment for constipation. And prune juice is among the most popular alternative treatments. Even science backs up its use. According to a 2013 study published in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition, prune juice dried plums and their derivatives can prevent constipation. It may prevent colon cancer. The nutrients found in prunes may also help control obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Prune juice contains 6.1 grams of sorbitol per 100 grams of juice, which may explain its laxative effects. Sorbitol passes through a person's body undigested. It draws water into the gut to bulk up the stool and stimulate a bowel movement. Prunes contain more than double the amount of sorbitol than prune juice. Prunes are also much richer in fiber, which aids the passage of stool through the digestive tract. Children prefer prune juice than prunes. Prune juice can be even given to infants. In fact, it can be used by everyone from infant to elderly people. So, how should we use prune juice for constipation? There is no general guideline for how much prune juice should you take. A glass of 200 to 250 milliliters juice is a good starting point for adults. You can take it 2 to 3 times a day and adjust your other food intake for calorie balance. Eat 5 to 10 prunes or dried plums, which also contain fiber, for even faster results. For children, the quantities should be less. Mayo Clinic recommends to offer your baby a small amount of water or a daily serving of 100% apple, prune or pear juice in addition to usual feedings. It suggests to start with 2 to 4 ounces, about 60 to 120 milliliters, and experiment to determine whether your baby needs more or less. So, what are the risks and side effects? Consuming prunes or prune juice is a relatively low-risk remedy for constipation. The most common side effect can be an increase in flatulence, or gas in some people. Each cup of canned juice contains 182 calories and 42.11 grams of sugar. So take it only when required. If you consume it occasionally to treat constipation, then that kind of sugar intake is no problem. Otherwise, too much sugar can increase the risk of weight gain and blood sugar problems. Bottom line is, prune juice with sorbitol is a good natural laxative. It can be used by everyone from infants to elderly people. It has no serious side effects. So, if you are feeling constipated, go for it to get relief. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.